Okay, guys. Well, I hope that you did an excellent job trying to solve these exercises. Okay, so now let's try to do the first one, exercise number one, from exercise number two. Okay, that means this one. It says write the pattern of each number sequence. Okay, I will help you with this one. Okay, I'm sure that you did number two great. Okay, so let me just help you with the first one. It says number 7 plus, what's happening if you add 5, 7 plus, let's try to do it together, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now 12 plus 5 equals 17. 17 plus 5 equals 22. What is the pattern? Well, you have to add 5. That is your answer. I hope you have the same answer that I do. Okay, according to this number sequence, they're adding 5. On number 2, you have to see if they're adding or they're subtracting. If they're subtracting, then put me they're subtracting what number. Okay, I hope in that part you also have a good or correct answer. Okay, so now let's continue. On exercise number 3, it says get into pairs. In this part, we're not doing it in pairs, but well, let's do it together. It says use the pattern to write a number sequence up to the 10th term. Okay, so we have to observe this pattern that they have here and do it all the way to the 10th term, the 10th position. Okay, so that means that you have to analyze each exercise and see what are they giving you and what do you have to do. Okay, number 1 says start with the numbers 2 and 5. Okay, so you're going to start with the numbers 2 and 5. The pattern is add 2 for the odd positions, first, third, fifth. So this is first, second position, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, so you have to add, you need to add 2 for the odd. The odd are this ones. So the odd is this one, and this one. Odd position, números impares. So number 2, you add 2, that will be 4. Okay, now 4, you add 2, that will be what? 6. Okay, and you continue for the odd numbers. Okay, now 4, let's erase this. For the even positions, are the second, fourth, and fifth. Second, fourth, and fifth, etc. You need to add 3 for the even positions. This is even. So 5 plus 3, that means that this position that is even, this position that is an even position, fourth, okay, you will add, will be 8. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. What was my odd over here? Remember, my odd over here was 4. This one's over here, this bottom's over here, this one's over here are your positions. Okay, not your number sequence, are your positions. Okay, so now I will give you for this activity 10 minutes. Try to do it. Okay, analyze it like I just helped you a little bit, and you're going to do number 2 also. Okay, you do number 1 and number 2. Number 2, you start by number 105 and you subtract only 2. Okay, that's a little bit more easy. So for this activity, I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, so starting now. Okay, guys, so now that you're done doing this exercise, I hope that you answered correctly. Okay, I will help you with the first exercise from exercise number 3. Okay, let's see if you did it correctly according to what I have done. Okay, it says use the pattern to write a number sequence up to the 10th term. Okay, so that means all the way to the 10th position. Okay, number 1 says start with the numbers 2 plus 2 and 5. You're going to start with the number 2 and 5. The pattern is add 2 to the odd positions and add 3 to the even positions, second, fourth, sixth, etc. So according to what I have 4, 8, 6, 11, 8, 14, 10, 17. Well, you're thinking how I did this. It's really easy, guys. Okay, over here, this is your sequence, your number sequence, right? So this is number position 1, position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they're asking for term 10 position. These are the positions, okay? And the red one is the number sequence. So on the first one, first, third, and fifth, you add 3. So that means here 1 plus 3 will be 4. Third position, 4 plus 3. Fifth position, third position, 4. Okay, over here, wait. It's first position, you add 3. Okay. Oh no, sorry. I got so confused. This is the sorry. Stop for a second. It says odd position. First position, you're going to add 2. So let's go back a little bit. Let's go back. Okay. So on the first position, you're going to add 2. First position, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2, 5. Okay. 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. All these ones right here on blue are these ones that I made. Okay. The odd positions, they're adding 2. Okay. Now you see how the sequence go. Now on the even position, this is odd. Okay. So let's change this a little bit. On the even position, I'm going to add 3. And the even position will be color yellow. Okay. Even position, that will be second place, fourth place, sixth place. Okay. I will add 3. So second place, 4, 6, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. You see? Okay. How is the sequence? So over here I'm going to write just one example of the odd pattern. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, right here. Sorry, 4 plus 2 would be 6. Okay, the blue ones are the odd positions where you have to add 2, and the yellow ones are the even positions where you add 3. Okay, I hope that this part is really clear for you guys. Okay, I'm trying to do my best on making this a little bit more easy, trying to explain you how is this pattern. Okay, if you have any doubts, well, remember to write those down on the forum. Okay, now on exercise number 2, that it says start with number 105, and you're going to subtract 2. You're going to subtract 2. Okay, minus 2. So that means 105 minus 2 will be obviously 103. 103 minus 2, 101, and so on. Okay, I hope that part is also clear. This part number, exercise number 2, is really easy because you just have to subtract 2. But in this case, on number 1, I think they made it a little bit harder because you have to focus on odd positions, even positions, and depending on what you have to add. Okay, so now let's continue on exercise number 4. It says, look at the figures and complete the number sequence below each one. Complete the last figures according to the pattern. According to the pattern. So over here, you have to take a look at each number sequence, and this number sequence, on this one and this one, and look at the figures. Okay, maybe those are useful. They have here 4. Over here they have 6, 7, 8, 9 dots, and over here you have to count how many they have, put here your answer, and find out these 2 missing. For this activity, I will give you 5 minutes, okay, to do it. Try to do your best, and then we're going to check our results. Okay, so 5 minutes, please. Okay, guys, well, I hope that you answer this exercise and that you understand how to complete the last two figures according to the pattern. Okay, remember, what is the pattern of this exercise? Well, we have to see how many number sequence do you see. Okay, we first see that there is 1 on the first figure. Okay, now on the next one I see 4, so obviously that I think that they're starting with odd numbers beginning with 3. Okay, so that means 1 plus 3 will be 4. Okay, but this odd number 3 will be increased, plus 2 will be increased by 2. Okay, so that means it will be 5, it will be 7, it will be 9, it will be 11. Okay, so they're starting with a odd number, they're beginning with number 3, and number 3 is being increased by 2. Okay, by adding 2, and your result will be 5. Okay, so that means 4 plus 5, 9, and you have 9 here. Okay, let's check this out. This one that I'm will color right here is this one. Okay, so if you notice, they added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more dots. Okay, here 4 dots, so they added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, you see, and will be 9. Now 9 dots, this one is 9, right? So is this one right here. 9 dots you already have. You're going to add 7 dots now. So you go over here and you count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7s are this one that they added. Okay, they added 7 dots. So 9 plus 7 will be over here. Your result will be 16. Okay, now over here you're going to color then how many dots? 16 dots. So let's color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that means that this one right here is this one. Okay, you have now 16 dots. Those 16 dots you're going to add how many? 9 dots. So you're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do you have now? So 16 plus 9. How many dots do I have? I have 25. Okay, 25. Yes. Now, right here I have my 25 dots. Now those 25 dots, okay, I will add 11 dots more. Okay, so you're going to count. So let's do it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, I have here 25, right? Right here I have 25 that are this ones. This one is this one. Now I'm going to add this 25, 11 more. So I'm going to add 11 using the color red. Okay. I'm going to add 1, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, I have how many now? 36. That is my answer right here. So that means 25 plus 11 will be 36. Okay. I hope that you understand this pattern. What is the pattern of this? Well, they start by odd numbers beginning with the 3. They start by odd numbers beginning with the 3, and that will increase by 2. Increases by 2, by 2, by 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 2, 11. You see how it will be increasing by adding 2. Okay. I hope this part you understand it. Okay. It's really easy. You have to see if you're going to start with an odd number or with a even number, and then continue with the pattern. Okay. So let's continue.